Hello, pool friends. So I have pool videos coming, I promise. I've been slacking. If I'm being completely honest, I've been putting it off on the back burner. But it's getting hot, it's time. My kids are saying, oh, so-and-so has their pool up. I'm just gonna go over there. So in order to keep my kids home, I'm gonna do the pool. But I needed you to know something. If you are switching from an INTEX pump to a different pump, which mine I'm switching to is this Vever. Okay, this is a 1 horsepower pump. I'm switching to chlorine this year, and my pool's not completely clean. I cleaned it and then it got dirty again. So anyways, I need you to know that you need to order these adapters for the hoses because the INTEX hoses are not going to fit on this new pump. So I didn't know that. I saw that because I watch other people's videos on how to set things up, just like you're hopefully going to watch mine. So I'm going to put the link to these down below. I got 4. I think you only need 2, but I'll let you know. I just went ahead and got 4. The person that I watched ended up using 3 because he used 1 for the waist. So I just got 4 just to be safe, and I'm gonna be setting this up, and I'm kind of an idiot because I started moving the sand into this one and I forgot to put this thing in there first. So hello, read the instructions, watch the videos, take your time. Pool videos are coming from me, so if you need help with your pool now, I'm gonna link all of my other videos, like what not to do, mistakes to avoid, because that's so important, because you work so hard on your pool and then you do this one little thing and it's all ruined. So take it from me, check out the videos. I'm gonna pop them in the end screen. They're probably on the screen now. And then vacuum videos and all that stuff. And the kind of content you're gonna get from me about the pool is the easiest way to do it, and yeah, just real talk, you know. So thanks for watching. Check out the other videos and I'll see you in the pool soon. Bye.